Hi children, now let us solve question number 11 of exercise 6b. Now what they are saying, there is a rectangular shed in which a farmer is keeping his sheep. Now what is the speciality of the shed? This farmer is staying in a house and one of the walls of his house is acting as a fence of this rectangular shed. So imagine children, this line which I have drawn on the top is one of the walls of his house and that wall is becoming a fence for this rectangular shed on one side. Okay, this side has been covered by the wall of his house. Now children, this ABCD is the rectangular shed which we are talking about. DC is the wall of his house which is covering one side of its shed. Now, this DA and this CB, they both are assumed to be the shorter side or the breadth of the rectangular shed. And this AB is assumed to be the longer side or the length of the rectangular shed. Okay, children, eventually you have to find what is the length of the shorter side, isn't it? That means, in short, you have to find the breadth of the rectangular shed, or else you have to find the value of small letter b. Okay, now let us see what are the parameters given to us. The very first thing is, the farmer has got a fence of 70 meters which he can utilize to cover his rectangular shed. Keeping in mind, one side of the shed has not to be covered because it is already covered by the wall of his house. So only the remaining three sides has to be covered. Okay, so children, this DA has to be covered, AB has to be covered, and BC has to be covered. So here DA plus AB plus BC will be equal to 70 meters. Why? Because the fence which the farmer has is of the length 70 meter, and that 70 meter has to be utilized to cover only three sides of the shed, isn't it? That is the reason I have written DA plus AB plus BC is equal to 70 meters. Now, what is DA? Breadth, AB length, BC breadth, which should be equal to 70 meters, or in short, I can write L plus D plus B, 2B is equal to 70 meters. So I got the first equation, L plus 2B is equal to 70 meters. Okay, equation number 1. Now the second parameter is, the area of the shed is equal to 600 meters square. It's a rectangular shed, so obviously the area will be found by L into B. So I get L into B is equal to 600. That is equation number 2. Okay, so the two equations which were required is ready. Now we have to modify it, isn't it? How? Children, we have to find the value of B. That means we need not bother about the variable L. What we can do? We can convert the variable L in terms of B. That means I can write L is equal to 600 upon B. Yes. And then substitute this value of L into equation number 1. Yes. So L is equal to 600 upon B. Substituting this value into equation number 1. What will happen, children? Wherever I will find L, I'll just replace it with 600 upon B. So here it is, L plus 2B is equal to 70. So 600 upon B plus 2B is equal to 70. And then on further simplification of it, see children, each and every step is written over here. Simplification. Finally, you will end up on this quadratic equation. B square minus 35B plus 600 is equal to 0. I hope I am clear. You just need to solve this quadratic equation either by using factorization method or the formula method, whichever you are comfortable with. Okay? So thank you children.